Hey guys, it's Alicia. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY fanny pack that is less than 10 bucks. In order to make a DIY fanny pack, you are going to need a small bag, your choice of a belt, some leather, scissors, and E6000 adhesive. Be sure to check the description box for links to all of the materials that I bought. Okay, so starting out with your leather trim, you're going to pick out whichever belt that you're going to use. I decided to use a thicker one. You're basically going to measure out a piece long enough that your belt can slide in and out of easily. So for my bag and my belt, that measured to about 2¼ inches. So you can just go ahead and cut that long strip out, and then you're going to cut out 2 pieces for belt loops. You can cut these out to whatever width you would like, but mine were about 1½ inches. Once you have your 2 belt loops cut out, then you're going to decide what is going to be the front and the back of your bag. The back side of your bag in the center is where you're going to be gluing down your belt loops. So now I'm just getting a general idea of how the belt loops are going to look when everything is all done. Okay, so grab your E6000 adhesive and you're going to apply 2 thin strips to the very top and very bottom of your first belt loop. Make sure you apply enough adhesive so that your belt loops will definitely stay in place, but don't apply too much that the glue will overflow. Now press your belt loop down into place and repeat with the second belt loop. And to make sure that these stay in place forever, you're going to let it dry for 24 hours. So when your adhesive is all dry the next day, go ahead and slide your belt in and you are finished with your DIY fanny pack. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you make one of these fanny packs, then make sure to tag me in your photos at Alicia Fuller on all of the socials, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!